me and Ted are in Top Boy. Roadmen waiting for the kids to come out of school. Yeah, actually, we all look like dickheads. Oh my God. So, we've got a plan. My children was banging on to me today when I took them to school that they wanted to go and feed the ducks. We've got a bloomer loaf indoors that we never ate over the weekend, and it's gone stale. So I said to the kids this morning, if you're good, we'll take you to feed the ducks. And then we had a little plan. We're going to take them to feed the ducks. Yeah? They don't know that these are the ducks we're going to be feeding. They don't know that these are the ducks we're going to be feeding. So we're going to get in the motor, we're going to tell them that we're going to go and feed the ducks, get them all excited, and then we're going to try and find a puddle, chuck these ducks in a puddle, and get to throw bread at these rubber ducks. Oh, bless them. Sage and Frank. Rubber duck time. Right, listen. So we come to the park. You got your bread? Show us your bread. Is it rock hard?
Yeah.
Rock hard bread, perfect for the ducks.
Let me break. See?
Take a bit each. Tear a bit each off.
No, don't. He's going to break it. Hold it like that. I pulled down.
Are you going to tear that off or what? Have a bit each.
No, I want to chop it. Do not let us see that. It's actually so hard. I'll do it. Watch this. Okay, Ted's gone. Ready? Oh!
There you go, half each. Right, half each. Come here, follow me. Oh, seagulls. Get up. No, we don't want seagulls.
But don't chase them and take it.
Right.
Please.
Right, so we're on the hunt for some ducks.
Wait, where's squirrels?
Right. There's your ducks. There's your ducks. Feed the ducks.
Where did you find them?
There's the ducks in the pond. Feed the ducks. This is it. This is it. They was there. They're two ducks that we just found in the car park.
No, for real.
They're there. Hey?
Get some real ducks.
They're real ducks.
Actually get some real ducks.
They're real ducks. They're real ducks. You can eat the bread if you want.
Why is it so heavy?
That's it. That's us feeding the ducks anyway. You know, you said to me earlier on you wanted to feed the ducks.
Yeah.
Well, this is us feeding the ducks, and that is stale bread, mate. That's it. I'll tell you what you can feed. Seagull.
Yes.
Not I'm Frank. No. Don't you dent the car, bruv. Frank.
Give me it.
Anyway, I thought that was quite adventurous, feeding the ducks. I'll leave the kids here.
Can we actually go and feed the ducks?
That is feeding the ducks, babe. That's the only ducks I know of.
No.
She actually really wants to feed ducks.
I want to feed the ducks.
She really wants to feed ducks. Go on, feed the seagulls. Same sort of thing. Just different.